Hello kids, welcome back to ELGA 7 online class. In this class, we are going to write Unit 8 assessment paper. This Unit 8 assessment paper for ELGA 8, it is Unit 6 assessment paper, same paper. So ELGA 8 student can refer Unit 6 assessment paper. Read all the question carefully and write the answers. Dictation. For first main dictation, children, you can take the help of your parents. They will say the word aloud and you have to write the word in the given space. Second question, short the words as open and close syllable word. Here you have to write in this column. Two columns are there. One is for open syllable word, another is for close syllable word. Here which are the words are coming in open syllable, you have to write. Music, it is open syllable word. Helmet, it is close syllable word, so write here. Open, it is open syllable word. Pencil, it is close syllable word. Then unit, it is open syllable word, you write in this column. And tulip, it is also open syllable word, you write it here. So 4 words are open syllable word and 2 words are here closed syllable words. Come to question number 3. Circle the verb and label it as P for past, PR for present and F for future in the following sentences. Rishi is a good student. His teachers are proud of him. He was given best student award. He will become a successful person one day. Now see the first sentence. He is a good student. Here each is the verb. You just circle it. Each is the verb. You circle it and it is in present tense. So write PR. Like that you have to do. His teacher are proud of him. Here are proud is the verb. So this one you have to circle. And you write PR because present tense. He was given best student award. He was given best student award. He was, this is the verb, was given. Circle this one and you write P. Next, he will become a successful person one day. Here verb is will become. You circle this one, will become, circle and write future, F. Now next sentence, we were at the zoo this morning. So were is the verb, circle it, verb and you write P because it is past tense. Next, it was full of animal. Here was is the verb, you circle was and you write P because past tense it is. It was a lot of fun. Here was is the verb, so you circle it and write P. We will go to zoo more often. So here will go, you circle will go and you write future, F for future, F right. Turn the page. Next, choose the correct verb and fill in the blanks. Ram dash rice yesterday. Ram ate, you write it here, ate. My friend dash very excited to see me earlier today. My friend was very excited. Nina dash a book every day. Nina reads. You write reads, second one, this one. He dash to bring her lunch yesterday. He forgot. First this one, forgot, you write it here. Next question. Rewrite each sentence by changing the verb as asked in the bracket. Okay, now I went to the zoo. This sentence is in past tense, you have to change to future tense. For changing in future tense, you have to put will. I will go to the zoo. Right like this. Aman is a happy boy. Change to past. Aman was a happy boy. Next, Vani will wait at the bus stop. Change to present. Vani waits at the bus stop. Next, Ranjan wanted a kitten. Change to present. Ranjan wants a kitten. She eats an orange. Change to future. She will eat an orange. Next, he understand how to do maths problem. Change to past. He understood how to do maths problem. Now come to question number 6, next page. Here, write 10 to 12 sentences to explain the following procedure. How to be safe at school. Nowadays, coronavirus is increasing more, so you have to write how to be safe in school. What are the material required? You write here: sanitizer, masks. You write it here, and here you draw the picture that your wearing children are wearing masks. Then you are putting sanitizer from time to time. You are maintaining social distance. Then turn the page, and you are not sharing your things with others. Now you have to write this: how to be safe in school. In this blank space, you write all those things what we'll do according to these pictures. Now next one question, story is there. Read the story and answer the questions given below. You have to read this story and you have to understand, and afterwards you have to answer the following questions. What was Satyendra Nath Bose's favorite subject? Satyendra Nath Bose's favorite subject was science. If you read this story, you can uh, come to know. What is the author opinion about Satyendra Nath Bose? Give evidence. Author opinion about Satyendra Nath Bose was that he was very brilliant man and he worked with Albert Einstein, so he deserved Nobel Prize. For this, you should write one sentence. For this work, he was also nominated for Nobel Prize many times between 1956 to 1962. Uh, do you think Bose would have become a professor without Einstein? No, because Albert Einstein recommended him. Then only he became the head of the physics department at Dhaka University. Write this one. He was always good at academics. Pick the option that has the same meaning as the underlined word. Academic means studies related. Which word from the story means the same uh, as to talk highly of someone? Take the correct option. Here, to talk highly of someone means recommended. So children, thank you, and you write this paper